Lesson: Ensuring ethical compliance in AI development. Ensuring ethical compliance in AI development is a critical aspect of modern technological innovation, especially as artificial intelligence systems increasingly influence various facets of society. As AI continues to evolve, the potential for ethical dilemmas and regulatory challenges grows, necessitating a robust framework for ethical compliance. This lesson focuses on practical tools and frameworks that professionals can implement to ensure ethical compliance in AI development, providing actionable insights to address real-world challenges while enhancing proficiency in this domain. Firstly, the importance of ethical compliance in AI cannot be overstated. AI systems are often deployed in high-stakes environments such as healthcare, finance, and criminal justice, where biases or errors can lead to significant harm. For instance, a study by Obermeyer et al. Found that an algorithm used to predict healthcare needs was biased against Black patients, demonstrating the potential for AI to perpetuate existing inequities if not carefully managed. To prevent such issues, developers must prioritize ethics from the inception of AI systems. A critical step in ensuring ethical compliance is adopting a comprehensive ethical framework. One widely recognized framework is the AI Ethics Guidelines, published by the European Commission's high-level expert group on AI. These guidelines emphasize principles such as respect for human autonomy, prevention of harm, fairness, and explicability. By integrating these principles into the development lifecycle, AI systems can be designed to align with societal values and ethical norms. Beyond guidelines, practical tools play an essential role in ethical compliance. One such tool is IBM's AI Fairness 360, an open-source toolkit that helps developers detect and mitigate bias in machine learning models. By providing metrics to assess fairness and algorithms to reduce bias, AI Fairness 360 enables developers to address potential ethical issues proactively. For example, a developer working on a hiring algorithm can use this toolkit to ensure that the system does not favor or disadvantage candidates based on irrelevant characteristics, such as race or gender. Another valuable tool is the model cards for model reporting proposed by Mitchell et al. These model cards provide standardized documentation for AI models, detailing their intended use, performance metrics, and potential biases. By transparently communicating the capabilities and limitations of AI models, developers can foster trust and accountability among users and stakeholders. This practice not only enhances ethical compliance, but also aligns with regulatory requirements for transparency. Incorporating ethical audits into the AI development process is another effective strategy. Ethical audits involve a systematic examination of AI systems to identify and address ethical risks. Organizations can establish internal audit teams or engage third-party auditors to assess compliance with ethical standards. For example, an ethical audit might evaluate whether a facial recognition system respects privacy rights and operates without bias against certain demographic groups. By conducting regular audits, organizations can ensure that ethical considerations remain a priority throughout the AI lifecycle. Case studies provide valuable insights into the application of ethical compliance strategies. For instance, the implementation of ethical AI practices by Microsoft offers a compelling example. Microsoft has established an AI Ethics and Effects in Engineering and Research Committee, which oversees the ethical implications of AI projects. This committee evaluates new projects against ethical standards and provides guidance to ensure compliance. Additionally, Microsoft has developed an internal tool called FairLearn to analyze and mitigate bias in AI systems. These initiatives demonstrate how organizations can integrate ethical considerations into their governance structures, fostering a culture of responsibility and accountability. Statistics further underscore the importance of ethical compliance in AI. A survey by Deloitte found that 62% of organizations view ethical considerations as a top priority for AI initiatives. However, only 35% of these organizations have established a formal governance framework for AI ethics. This gap highlights the need for actionable strategies to translate ethical intentions into practice. By leveraging tools and frameworks, organizations can bridge this gap and ensure that ethical considerations are embedded in their AI operations. The role of regulatory frameworks in ethical compliance is also significant. Governments and regulatory bodies worldwide are increasingly implementing policies to address AI's ethical and societal impacts. For instance, the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation imposes strict requirements on data privacy and consent, directly affecting AI systems that process personal data. Compliance with such regulations requires organizations to adopt robust data governance practices, ensuring that AI systems respect individuals' rights and privacy. Moreover, ethical compliance in AI is not a one-time effort, but an ongoing commitment. As AI technologies continue to evolve, so too must the strategies for ensuring ethical compliance. Continuous monitoring and evaluation of AI systems are essential to adapt to emerging ethical challenges. By establishing feedback loops and engaging with stakeholders, organizations can remain responsive to societal expectations and regulatory changes. In conclusion, ensuring ethical compliance in AI development is a multifaceted endeavor that requires a combination of frameworks, tools, and practices. By adopting ethical guidelines, utilizing tools such as AI Fairness 360 and model cards, conducting ethical audits, and learning from case studies, professionals can address real-world challenges and enhance their proficiency in ethical AI development. As AI continues to shape the future, prioritizing ethical compliance will be crucial to harnessing its benefits while minimizing potential harms. The integration of ethical considerations into AI governance structures, coupled with a commitment to transparency and accountability, will be essential to building trustworthy and responsible AI systems.